How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our Virtue 4 dash light. When you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your Virtue 4 going to your connection cables. Now you'll notice a connector here, and this is to be used with our optional SIG plug. And then you'll also see your sync cable here where you can sync multiple units as well. Now let's get this unit hooked up to power and go over some of the functions. So today I'm going to be using my optional SIG plug. So I'll go ahead and get my cigarette lighter plug hooked up, and then I'll hook it up to power here. And then you'll see that I have my on-off switch here, so I can activate my unit. And then I have my flash pattern switch here, so I can cycle through my different flash patterns. I can find a pattern I'd like. And then this unit has memory recall, so you can shut your unit off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on. And then you also have a steady burn shortcut here as well. So if you hold your flash pattern button down for 3 seconds, your unit will go to steady burn, so you can easily access that feature off of your flash pattern switch. Now I did bring a red-blue unit with me today, but we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color setups. So let's go over a couple of those. So here I brought a solid amber unit, and then here I brought a green, clear, alternating unit. But again, we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating. And we even have our Customize a Light Bar tool where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. So I went ahead and attached my optional windshield visor here, and then you'll see our surface mount end caps as an option, and we do have the ability to weatherproof this unit if you need to exterior mount. And then we have our 90-degree suction cup here, and this will attach to the back track of your unit like so, and you'll use 2 of our 90-degree suction cups. And then we have our 360-degree suction cup, and this will attach to the side of your unit with the replacement end caps. And this bracket does rotate 360 degrees if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then this bracket will double as an L bracket as well. And then we have our static headliner bracket, and again this will attach to the back track of your unit like so, and you'll use 2 of our static headliner brackets. And then finally we have our adjustable headliner bracket, and the difference with this bracket is you can move your unit forwards or backwards if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then again this will attach to the back track of your unit like so, and you'll use 2 of these brackets. So you'll see that we have plenty of interior and exterior mounting options for your unit. So that covers all of the features of our Virtue 4 dash light. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below the product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.